I just got done readjusting the screws. I jacked the two up on the other side a little bit, more on this side than this side, and I had these unclamped. I readjusted the clamp pressure to get rid of the bow we were getting. So we're getting ready to make another cut. See what we get here. Bring down our cutter. Lock it down. Still haven't moved my table height any, so we're at the same original height. Just go and get an idea where we're at over here. Okay, we are going to definitely be cutting across that face right now. Jack this thing back a little bit. Okay, I went up, pulled out a couple thou, we're not dragging as bad. So we're going to probably be cutting about a 4 thou pass on that thing, on that one side. So we're under 2 under 0 again. Back this up. Alright, I remarked everything here. I missed that corner, but oh well. Cut it the right direction. Make another cut. Just cut on the right side pretty heavy. There it is. See, I'll put cutting on the right again. It's not cutting on the left either, which is good. Back on the right, not the left. It was a good pass. Oh, it's hitting my steel now, for some reason. Oh, we got that thing jacked up that high now. That's how high I got that. I was 30 thou below the surface. This head's pretty twisted up right now. Okay, I don't think we're going to ever get this to clean up. It's just too bowed on that side. So the only option is I can go a little bit higher on this side. This side here I'm good with. And I didn't loosen up that clamp either, as you can tell. Hitting on the fin over there. There it is. Alright, let's get that again. Let's see what we got this time. I'm good with that. Cutting on the right again, not the left. Pretty good on that side now, look at that. There's our low spot. A good fog in the right, not the left. Alright, that was pretty good. So you can see how we cut all through here. Still got that left. That's about, that's at least 6 or 7 thou down right there. This we're all low through here because we already cut here before. So I think the head's relatively close now. So I'm going to go ahead and jack this thing up right over here. I'm going to go ahead and give it 3 thousandths. That'll get us roughed in enough to do what I want. Now we already dulled this cutter a little bit, so the finish isn't going to be super good. I got to recut all this stuff anyway because I'm going to re-hit the head bolt holes on the other side. That's what I'm coming off of here anyway. Alright, so go ahead and do this one pass, and that's be it for this head for now. Quite clean all the way across the head there. I'm going to go ahead and give it another thou. So I'll pick up the right side, the left side, excuse me. Got the right side cutting pretty good over there. Got steel ribbon. We'll let this sweep all the way across the whole head. Should cut about a thou on the back cut here, half a thou, just enough to do something. Bit of porosity right there. That's crappy welding. Have to talk to him. Okay. So you can see our low spot right here, pretty close, and you also see right here some red over here where we never cleaned over here either. So this part of the head here is low, but you can see how equal it is now. So we got this thing pretty flattened out. And this here didn't clean after because that's what we cut before, too low. So we got this thing probably within a couple thou easily, being what it originally was in height. Now you see a little bit of porosity right there, which squat a little bit right there, and very, very fine holes through here. That's it. For welding up a contaminated head, that's pretty close. So now we got this pretty well in here all the way. So I'll go ahead and take this out of the machine. See how low pressure was on that nut? Almost nothing. Alright, see if I can get this out with one hand. There it is. It came right out. Look at that. So this is how high we had this jacked up over here. Had that much clearance on that side, and oops, wrong stud. And this side here we had quite a bit too. Okay. It's hard to focus where I'm looking at. Looks like this one here was a little bit higher than the right side. These two here are down all the way. Yeah, below, so you can see that. These two I haven't touched, so I was only adjusting these two. So now what we got to do on this is we're going to have to go in here and spot face these holes off right here. we're on these two right here and these two white spaced ones over here, this one and this one. And now that I got my head surface flat, I'll re-spot vise all of these holes here the same height so I can put it back in the stand. It'll come in straight so that I can go ahead and do the final cutting on that surface. Once I get this surface set, then I go ahead and start cutting out for the valve pockets right here, and then we'll come back and hit the combustion chamber side. Later on we'll clean these fins up on this side, and then we got to put a spark plug hole back in it. Oh, we're almost done with this now, isn't it? Not hardly. But anyway, that's how you get it initially started in. The biggest thing is to get the head gasket surface broken back into where it was. And you can see how close it is, those two slow spots. So we're pretty close. So that's where we are with that. So I'll get the other head out and see what that is.